Hi, I'm Rob Neuner, CEO and founder of Boost Oxygen here in Milford, Connecticut. Today's a really important day. We are starting the manufacturing of our new line. That's going to be 4 times the output of our other line, and while maintaining the highest quality control standards. It's been a collective effort by everyone behind me. We are so excited and so proud of what we do here in Milford, Connecticut. And thanks to all our retail partners, our business partners, and all of our friends out there. Thanks for watching the video, and have a great week. Oops.
First can going through.